Continuing our Clock Fun series, so we are discussing 10 questions from biochemistry. First question, albinos which have whitish color, so there is no melanin, so they can't be a sunlight. So melanin is come from which amino acid? That is phenylalanine. This is the question. So from phenylalanine, tyrosine is formed. From tyrosine, melanin is formed by the enzyme tyrosinase. If there is no enzyme, albinism will happen. Myelomatosis or plasmacytoma. It causes chest and backbone rib fracture and lab characteristics for diagnosis, that is paraproteinemia. So myeloma, this study these points, myeloma or plasmacytoma, which has blood have high amount of plasmablast, and these conditions cause osteoporosis and fractures, and blood have paraprotein and urine have Ben Jones protein. Okay, paraprotein in the blood and confirm the myeloma diagnosis. In the urine, we can see what? Ben Jones protein. So, what is the definition of isoenzyme? Which have for a same reaction, different enzyme will work, but which means that their structures are different, but their function is same. Different enzyme which has different structure and identical function, that is isoenzyme. So they are asking enzyme which helps the conversion of xanthine to uric acid, that is xanthine oxidase from adenine converts into uric acid. So last step, xanthine is converted to uric acid by the enzyme xanthine oxidase. If there is no xanthine oxidase, uric acid level is going to be decreased. So they are asking in diabetes mellitus, hyperglycemia will occur. Which lab test would you prefer? That is glycated hemoglobin test, which means that in normal condition only little bit amount of glucose can bind with the hemoglobin. If there is high amount of glucose, it can bind with hemoglobin and in a high range. So at high A1C means that unhealthy amounts of glucose are stuck to the RBCs. This structure is known as glycated hemoglobin. And next question is about, they are asking biogenic amino acids. So degraded by which enzyme? Biogenic amines degraded by which enzyme? That is monoamine oxidase. So for an example for biogenic amine is dopamine, and it releases into synaptic cleft. So if excess dopamine is present, it can enter into glial cells and can be degraded with the help of monoamine oxidase. So some drugs, for example selaginel, can inhibit monoamine oxidase. So we can provide a high number of dopamine in synaptic cleft. So we can prevent, so we can use this one for antidepressant, or we can prevent depression. So they are asking the carrier of copper, that is ceruloplasmin. This is one. Apoceruloplasmin bind with copper, and this is commonly known as ceruloplasmin. It is the carrier of copper. And they are asking the question, stroke, patient have stroke and a drug is prescribed, Contricare. So it can inhibit proteinase. So Contrical is a protein or enzyme inhibitor. Okay, stroke means there is a clot in the vessel of the brain. So which enzyme helps in which proteins helps in the formation of clot? That is kallikrein. So Kallikrein helps in clotting. Contrigal able to inhibit kallikrein and prevent the coagulation. So, what is the function of kallikrein? Kallikrein is converts inactivated toll into activated toll. So, it can promote the coagulation by formation of fibrin. So, if you are able to inhibit the kallikrein with the drug Cantrical, so clotting will not occur. So, which vitamin is helpful in bleeding? That is vitamin K. Okay friends, thank you.